Hi, I'm Charlie Roadman, Austin criminal defense attorney, and today we're going to talk about what happens to your car when you get arrested for a DWI in Austin. When you leave the jail, the deputies are going to give you a list of the 9 generally used tow companies, and they're going to circle the one where they say your car is. However, I would use AutoReturn.com, the website, to confirm that information. There's a great new online resource to find your car called AutoReturn.com. You can put in the license plate in the state or the VIN number of the car, or you can even find it doing the date of impound with the make, model, color, and year. APD can call any one of a dozen different tow companies. We're really familiar with Southside Record. A lot of cars go there. So I'm going to tell you a little bit about Southside Record because most of the tow companies are going to treat you roughly the same with the same policies. The fee for the first day at Southside Record is $218.30, and then it is $21.65 every day after that. They are open 24 hours, and they accept cash or credit cards with a photo ID. The fee to get your car out of impound also shows up on the AutoReturn.com website, which is very convenient. A lot of people ask, how do I get my car out because the police took my driver's license? And the answer is Southside Record accepts really any form of government ID. They will accept a temporary paper driver's license from DPS, but not the temporary one that you get from the police officer who took your real driver's license. It has to be from DPS. They'll also accept a military ID, a concealed handgun license, a passport, a green card, or an offender ID. In order to get your car, your government ID needs to have the same name and address as the registered owner of the vehicle. And back in the old days, the registration would be a piece of paper that would be in the glove box. Nowadays, it's all online, so Southside Record has the ability to look up your car online and see who the registered owner is. Another question we get is, can someone else pick up the car? Can a family member or a girlfriend or a wife or a spouse? And the answer is, if they have the same last name and their government issued ID has the same address as the registered car, then yes. But if not, they can't. What if you have some information or some item in your vehicle that you need to get out before you are able to get the whole car out? The question, will they let you get into your car? And the answer is yes, they will let you get something out of your vehicle. I want to talk to you a little bit about the best way to deal with the people at Southside Record, and that is with a lot of patience. They do not respond to anger or bitterness, and most of the people that end up there are angry. So they have they've perfected the sort of blank look. They've got a glass wall that you're looking through to talk to them. You need to be extremely patient and polite and expect that it's going to take longer than you want it to take. And if you need to bring someone with you that's good at dealing with those situations, you should. But just know, for example, if you don't have the right ID, they are not going to give you the car. And there's no amount of anger or yelling or anything that's going to make them do something that could get them in trouble. So if you have any questions about Austin DWIs, give us a call, or you can read a book I wrote, which is online, an ebook, The Insider's Guide to Austin DWI Charges. That's available for free online on our website.